In this lesson, I will explain to you how to use upper, lower, and proper cases in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, we will start with the uppercase. What is the meaning of this? See here, I have written few names, but you can apply the same concept if you have thousand or million records. See here, this is the first name. Ash starts with the capital A. If you want to make all these letters capital, so then you have to use the uppercase. But keep in mind that in Microsoft Excel, always the formulas starts with is equal to, sign is equal to, and then you have to write down upper, right? We are going to convert this name into uppercase, so just click it, close the parenthesis and enter. Now you can see all letters are in uppercase. If you want to apply the same function on other cells, so just drag it down and you will see all names are in capital. Now same function we are going to apply if we want to make all letters lower, then you have to use the lower function. It's up to you. If you want, you can write down in lowercase or uppercase, both are okay. So same name, I want to make it in lowercase, close the parenthesis and enter. Now you can see Ash in the lowercase. If I drag it down, you will see all the names now in the lowercase. Now is the uppercase, sorry, proper case. What is the meaning of proper case? See, here is the address. Suppose 111 River Street. See, R is lower, S is lower. Proper case converts first letter of each word into capital. So see, R should be capital according to proper case and S should be capital. How? You have to start with equal to sign and write down here proper, and then you have to click on this cell, close the parenthesis and enter. See, R is capital, S is capital. Just drag it down. It the same function will apply to rest of the cells as well, right? How simple it is to use lower, upper, and proper case. Now I will show you. I'm going to delete this. Suppose if you want to join this cell and this cell, means first name and last name you want to join, but all letters should be in uppercase. How you can do it? Again with equal to, and then first you have to apply first formula, that is upper formula, because we are joining these two. That is why we will use two function. The second function is concate function, which we had learned in our previous lesson. Upper, then parenthesis, concate, we want to join this, and then comma, after comma quotation, and then space, and then quotation, comma, and then we have to join with Williams. After William, see here, this is the parenthesis. These two parentheses belongs to this concate function, and we had started with this parenthesis as well. That is why keep in mind here you have to put two parentheses and press enter. Now all letters are in uppercase, right? And the both are joined. Now I will show you same thing by using the lowercase if you want to join these two cells. So here is equal to, and then lower, you have to start with parenthesis. Here you have to write down concate function. After concate function, we want to make Ash lower, then comma, quotation, space, then quotation close, comma, and then William. Here again we have to put two parentheses, enter. See, all letters are in lowercase and drag it down. Now suppose we want to join address, this address and city. I will show you how you can join this column, D column and F column. Then same concept you have to apply with E and G column, right? In this way you will learn more. So equal to proper, so this is the proper function. Then we are going to apply concatenate function as well. We have to concatenate this, so click here. After this, comma, quotation start, and then see, between the quotation you have to put comma, space, and then quotation. What is the meaning of this comma? This comma means this is the address, then you can see we can have one comma, and then is the city name. I will show you. Okay, so this comma, and then here is Toronto. Again we have to put two parentheses. See here, this is the proper case, and then we have a comma. If you want to apply the same functions on the other cells, just drag it down and you can see two functions are there. One is the proper case and other that we have joined these two. Similarly, now it is your job, because when you will involve, you will learn more how to add postal code and country here. See, same thing, you have to put comma after F6 and then quotation, comma, space, quotation, and put postal code and country. Practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.